This time we're going to start with a graph, and looking at the graph, we're going to try and find the inequality. So what we're going to start with looking at is the line here on the graph. And first things first, let's figure out what our slope and our intercept are. Remember, our slope is our m and our intercept is our b when we're writing our equations as our y equals mx plus b type. So our b, that's our y-intercept. That's where our line crosses our y-axis. In this case, it's going to be that 3. Then we need to find another point where we're crossing an intersection at a nice point. So I think the first one that I see is way over here at 4, -2. So then what we can do is we can either count the boxes or we can set this up as a fraction with our rise over run to figure out what our slope is. So now that we have our slope of -5/4 and our y-intercept of 3, let's go ahead and put those into our slope-intercept equation. That's our y equals mx plus b. We're going to have y equals -5/4x plus 3. And then what we're going to do to try and figure out this inequality is we are going to select a point that is in our true region. So I'm going to pick this point right here, 4, 4. And now I'm going to pick an inequality sign. Let's pick less than. And we want to make sure that this is true. If we have the right inequality sign, this should be true. When we plug this in, we get 4 is less than -5/4 times 4 plus 3, which becomes 4 is less than -5 plus 3, which gives us 4 is less than -2, which is not true, which means we have the wrong inequality sign. So this one is going to actually be a greater than. And since the line on the graph is solid, it's actually going to be a greater than or equals to.